Video 5. Create parallel objects in allplan. In this video, I will show you how to create parallel objects in allplan. To create a parallel object in allplan, on the toolbar, select the command as shown on display. View the operations performed on the display screen. The bottom of the dialog box, enter the data to create offset. The bottom of the dialog box, select the position to offset inside or outside the project to be shown. Select the position to offset in. Click inside the project. Press Escape to exit the command. Create objects in two horizontal and vertical directions of the project. See the implementation section on the display screen. Start creating parallel objects horizontally. View the operations performed on the display screen. Continue to create parallel objects vertically. View the operations performed on the display screen. On the display screen created in horizontal and vertical directions of the project. I invite you to watch the next video. It's a guide to delete the intersection element in allplan.